This is the best foldable phone in the world, and nowadays the competition for the best foldable phone is heating up as a growing number of innovative smartphone designs are coming up in the market. And after the launch of Samsung Galaxy Fold, there were too many mistakes in the phone which made this technology fail. But today in this video I'm gonna tell you about a smartphone which is the best foldable phone in the world. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nitish, and the best thing about this smartphone is that it perfectly fits in your pocket and palm so that you can use this phone so easily. And not only this phone has some cool and amazing features that you don't know about. So make sure you stick until the end of the video. So do subscribe and follow us on Instagram for giveaways. So now without wasting any time, let's just dive into the video. So after the success of Huawei Mate XS, now Huawei is going to launch the Huawei Mate X2, which is the best foldable phone in the world. And the Huawei Mate X2 is the third successor of Huawei foldable devices, and this will give a good competition to Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. The Samsung Galaxy Fold was supposed to be the best foldable phone out there in the market, but in order to outshine the Samsung Galaxy Fold, Huawei Mate X2 will beat all the records and win the battle for the best foldable phone in the world. The Chinese smartphone maker has also released a small teaser revealing the design of the Mate X2 and the launch date. And the most significant change will be in terms of design, as the previous Mate X foldable followed an inward folding, but the Mate X2 is expected to ditch the outward folding design on its upcoming foldable. So if I talk about the display and specs, the Mate X2 when unfolded it will turn into 8-inch tablet, and if I shut or fold the phone it will turn into a 6.45-inch smartphone. The screen will have a display of 2200 x 2480 pixel and a 1160 x 2700 pixel resolution respectively. Whereas the dimension of Huawei Mate X2 is 161.8 x 145 x 8.2 mm, and the weight of this phone will be 295 grams. The unfolded Mate X2 comes with a minimal bezel and no front camera, and the render of this phone also showcases that folded device in which two front shooters can be seen. This will serve as the front and rear shooter at the same time. The Huawei Mate X2 is powered by an in-house Kirin 9000 SoC chipset, and this chip is also available in Huawei Mate 40. The Kirin 9000 is an octa-core chipset clocked at 3.13 GHz, which means this is even faster than the Qualcomm latest SoC Snapdragon 888 processor, which is clocked at 2.84 GHz. So overall the processor and the performance of this phone is good enough to play high-end graphic games and is also good for multitasking. This phone is based on a 5nm manufacturing process coupled with 24-core Mali G78 CPU, and it will be available with 8GB of RAM and 512GB of non-expandable storage. Now as far as the camera specs are concerned, the Mate X2 is reported a 50 megapixel primary camera, a 16 megapixel secondary camera, a 12 megapixel sensor and an 8 megapixel another sensor. And now for selfies, this device has a 16 megapixel snapper front camera which does a great job in selfies and even in rear camera. The Huawei Mate X2 will be running on Android 11 with MUI 11 on the top. And now if I talk about the battery of this device, it will come with a 4400 mAh battery with support for 66 wired charging and wireless charging adapter. And overall the battery life of this smartphone is also good enough to use it all day long. The Mate X2 was also listed on 3C, suggesting that the device will ship with a 66 watt fast charger, and the report further said that this charger is 20% quicker than the one used in the previous foldable Mate devices. So this time you will be able to charge even faster than before. Other than this device will have a support for the latest Wi-Fi 6E, 6 and 5, and it will come with a Bluetooth 5.1, NFC and dual SIM slot, and most important thing, both the slot will be 5G compatible. The Huawei Mate X2 is the most anticipated foldable smartphone and the best foldable phone this year. And as far as the rumors are concerned, this phone will be launched on 22 February, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any updates on this smartphone. And now if I talk about the pricing of Huawei Mate X2, then it will be priced at approx $3,000, which is almost 2 lakh rupees in Indian currency. And overall I feel that this era of foldable phone will get better soon with more and more smooth features and more updates, and this Huawei Mate X2 has done a great job in foldable smartphone technology. So guys, that's it for now, and do let me know in the comment section below that which foldable phone you like the most, and do hit the like button. Catch you guys in the next video. Take care.